Onboard systems need serious circuit protection. And when it comes to bow thrusters, ballast pumps, amplifiers, or any high-load gear ranging from 25 to 200 amps, nothing beats Blue Sea Systems thermal circuit breakers, the 285 series and 187 series. Designed to protect and switch your heaviest circuits, our Type 3 circuit breakers come in two styles: surface mount models for easy access and external wiring, and flush mount models for a clean, built-in finish. Every breaker in the lineup can double as a control switch and features a trip-free design, so if it trips from overload, it stays tripped until the issue is resolved. The 285 series covers 25 to 150 amps. Need more power? The 187 series handles up to 200 amps and features a rugged, conventional form factor with a front-facing switch. All models are water-resistant, built for harsh marine environments, and offer high interrupt capacity, ensuring safe circuit interruption even under short-circuit conditions. When fuses aren't up to the job, trust a Blue Sea Systems breaker to get you moving again. Rugged, resettable. Blue Sea Systems, relentlessly reliable.